snake who forgot to bite. Long ago, a snake lived near a village. It was fierce and dangerous. Every villager feared it, because anyone who came near was bitten. The snake ruled the path, and people avoided it at all costs. One day, a wise sage passed through. The villagers begged him to help. The sage approached the snake and said, "Why do you harm others? Violence will only bring you suffering. From today, stop biting people." The snake respected the sage and promised never to bite again. From that day, it stopped attacking villagers. It lay quietly by the path, harmless and gentle. But soon, the villagers realized the snake no longer fought back. Children threw stones at it, people kicked it, and it became weak and wounded. The once feared snake was now a victim of cruelty. Months later, the sage returned and saw the snake's condition. Shocked, he asked, "What happened to you?" The snake replied, "You told me not to bite, so I became harmless. Now everyone hurts me." The sage smiled gently and said, "I told you not to bite. But I never told you not to hiss. Show your strength when needed, but don't harm unnecessarily." Chanakya taught that kindness should never be mistaken for weakness. Protect yourself, but don't misuse your power. Balance is the key. At work, don't be aggressive, but don't let others exploit you. In relationships, be kind, but set boundaries. Moral of the story is, don't misuse your strength, but don't abandon it either. True wisdom lies in balance.